stop by and take a look at the 2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, XM satellite radio, anti-lock braking system, four-wheel drive, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, center armrest. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.